Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Quest for Knowledge. Today we are going to go through with the MCQs of Indian Constitution and human rights, okay, so that it can be helpful for your exam, and we are going to refer two books and two books related MCQs we are going to go through. So let's get started. The first is a preamble, is a introduction to the Constitution. The method of amendment of the Constitution are three. Right to freedom is fundamental right. Directive principle of state policy we have taken from Ireland. Which of the following is not a fundamental right? It's right to property. Okay. Objective resolution is laid down by Jawaharlal Nehru. And when did the Constitution of India came into force? It is from 26th of January 1950. That is our Republic Day. And January 26 was specially chosen just because to commemorate Purna Swaraj. Before independence also, we were celebrating 26th of January as Purna Swaraj. Fundamental rights are extracted from which constitution? It's from USA. Okay, and parliamentary form of government in India is extracted from UK. Expand NRI. NRI is non-resident Indian. Which article contain right to elementary education? It is Article 21A. Which of the following is not a writ under rights to constitutional remedy? It is all the above, that habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, it's all included to the writ. Okay, who was the chairman of the drafting committee? Drafting committee means it's Ambedkar. At present, what is the number of schedules? It is 12 schedule and 25 parts are there in our Indian Constitution. Who was the chairman of the Constitution Assembly? It's Rajendra Prasad. The name of the state of and union territories and their territorial extent are mentioned at which schedule? It's first schedule. The design of the national flag was done on July 1947. So which of the following is correct regarding the Indian Constitution? That it is completely based on British or original or made on American? We have a mixture of constitution. We have derived it from various countries. So we have mixture of various countries. Okay. In which of the following cases Supreme Court gave a ruling that the preamble is a part of Constitution? It is the Kesavananda Bharati case where that preamble is also a part of Constitution. Which one of these are the primary source of Indian Constitution? Like British Constitution, Irish Constitution, German Constitution? No, it is the Government of India Act 1935 which is our primary source of Indian Constitution. So which one of the features is common to both the Indian Confederation and American? Means that our Supreme Court, okay, that is Federal Supreme Court to interpret the Constitution. It is common between India and America. Which among the following was the first law minister of India? It is B.R. Ambedkar. Which of the following writs may be issued to enforce the fundamental rights? It's habeas corpus. Okay, the Constitution of India does not mention the post of we don't have deputy prime minister. Okay, in which one of the following years did the Right to Information Act came into force? It is 2005. The right to vote is election to a parliament is a political right. Which of the following is issued in illegal detention of a person? It's habeas corpus. And yeah, bicameralism means when we have two houses. So parliament consisting of two houses. The seats allotted to each state and union territory is mentioned in our fourth schedule of Constitution. Parliamentary form of government in India is extracted from UK government. Consider the following statement that India is both a citizen by birth as well as naturalized citizen. In USA only a citizen by birth and non-naturalized citizen is eligible for the office of the president. So we have both 1 and 2. Okay, we followed both the feature. The words socialist and secular were added to the preamble by the 42nd Amendment. In India, there are single constitution for both the center and the state, except which of the following state? It is Jammu and Kashmir. And which of the following derivative principle are added by the 42nd is 1 and 4, that is to promote equal justice and give legal aid, and to promote and improve the environment, and to safeguard the wildlife. Okay, so that is the directive principle which is added by the 42nd amendment. According to constitution, India is union of states. Okay, we have union of states. Which is the meaning of an indestructible union? It means that the union can destroy the state government, but the state government cannot destroy the union government. So that is the thing. Which of the following state joined Indian Union by referendum held in 1975? It's Sikkim. According to Citizenship Act 1995, which of the following is not the way to lose citizenship? It is by cancellation. Regarding fundamental right, consider the following sentences. Like, fundamental rights are enshrined in the part 3 of the constitution. Yes. Part 3 of the constitution is described as Magna Carta. Yes. 1 and 2 only is considered as the correct one according to our fundamental rights. After that, Indians are enjoying single citizenship. And which of the following state does not have a legislative council? It's Kerala. So what do you mean by fraternity? It is mean by brotherhood, and respecting constitution is our fundamental duty. And we have 28 states now. Okay, so don't get confused with 29. We have 28 states and 8 territories. Democracy means people's government. That is why we say no, by the people, for the people, to the people. Indian constitution is a written constitution. The first woman president of India is Pratibha Patil. The first woman prime minister of India is Indira Gandhi. Dash is guarding Indian constitution, that is our Supreme Court. The architect of Indian constitution is B.R. Ambedkar. There are 11 fundamental duties of Indians. Our constitution grants right to vote to all the people who are above 18 years. When they are at the age of 18 years, they are eligible to vote. Anna Hazare fought for corruption. Which country's constitution is world largest? It is India's. The preamble of the constitution says India is sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Preamble declares that the first objective of the constitution is justice. Preamble declares preamble declares that the Constitution of India was adopted on 26th of January 1950. The objective resolution was passed by the Constitution Assembly on 22nd of January 1947. The Constitution of India was made by the Constituent Assembly of India. Secularism means all the above. Socialism in India means that is also democratic socialism. Okay. Head of the state is elected, and it means India is a republic country. The objective resolution, which outlined by the philosophy of the Indian was moved into the Constitution Assembly by Jawaharlal Nehru, as I already told to you. So the Constitution of India was inaugurated on 26th of January 1950. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? It's Ambedkar. Okay, drafting committee, it's Ambedkar. Indian Constitution has almost 395 articles. Indian Constitution has 12 schedules. Indian Constitution stand divided to be 22 parts, and Indian Constitution of India was made by the Constitution Assembly of India, and the Constitution of India is a partly rigid and partly flexible constitution. Secularism means all the above. And 19th one, the Constitution describes India as a union of states. Socialism in India means we are democratic socialism. and it's about elected head of state means India is a republic state, okay, republic country. Indian constitution provides for all the above, like parliamentary democracy, independence of judiciary, universal adult suffrage, and all the above. So this is all about from the another book we have gone through in a very shortcut manner. Let's move on to the unit 2. So let's move on to the unit 2 now, that is based on union and state executive, legislature and judiciary. The impeachment of the president of India can be initiated to either house of the parliament, like Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. What is the ex officio chairman of the Planning Commission of India? It is the Prime Minister of India. The President of India addresses his resignation letter to the Vice President. The minister shall hold office during the pleasure of the President. Okay. What is the maximum age prescribed for election as President of India? There is no such limit. Okay. Which administer that oath of office to the President? It's Chief Justice of India. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can resign his office by addressing his resignation to the Deputy Speaker of the Lok Sabha. The among the following chooses the Speaker of the Lower House. It is the member of Lower House. And the annual financial statement budget is proposed by the finance minister, and a representative of union territory in Lok Sabha are chosen by through direct election. 0 hour is the parliament refers to gap between the first hour and agenda. Question hour is the parliament refer to the first hour of the sitting. Which one of the following statement regarding judiciary in India is not correct? It is the district and the session code is the principal code of the civil jurisdiction, which is not correct. Okay. Which was the following jurisdiction of the Indian judiciary covers public litigation, that is appellate jurisdiction. Which of the following high court has the territorial jurisdiction over Andaman Nicobar? It's Kolkata. The power of Supreme Court of India to decide dispute between the center and the state falls under the original jurisdiction. The power of judicial revenue in India is implicit. District judges is a state in a state is appointed by the governor. The total number of high court in India is present is 21 high courts are there. The state of Jammu and Kashmir was accorded special status under Article 370 of the Constitution. Who among the following is a legal advisor of the state government as provided by the Constitution? It is Advocate General. While appointing a governor, the president generally consults the chief minister of the state. This is a matter of convention. Okay, the act as the chancellor of state university is governor. Who act as the chancellor of state university is governor. Which among the following is the exclusive jurisdiction of the state government? It's sales tax. Exclusive. Okay, the special status of Jammu and Kashmir implies that the state has separate constitution, but now that is removed. Okay, you are not going to get this kind of questions now from now as per the current affair. The special status of the union territories are administered by the president through administrators appointed by him. Judicial review function the Supreme Court means the power to examine the constitutional validity of the law. The only union territory which has a high court of its own is Delhi. The elections of panchayat are to be held every 5 years. Chief Minister of a state is responsible to Legislative Assembly. The Chief Justice of the High Court has been removed by the same procedure as for the judges of the Supreme Court. It means the Chief Justice or a judge of a High Court can be removed by the same procedure for the judges of the Supreme Court. The family court decides disputes relating to marriage affair. Lok Sabha has more power over financial bill. Members of Rajya Sabha are elected by which members? It is State Legislative Assembly. After how many years? One third of the member of Rajya Sabha retires. It is after 2 years. And normally, what kind of session does Parliament hold? It is all the above, like monsoon session, winter session, budget session. So all the above. So what does the President assent the bill? So Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha passes the bill. At present, Rajya Sabha consists of 545 members. President of India nominates dash member to Rajya Sabha. It's 12. Okay. Who is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha? It's Vice President of India. The term of Lok Sabha is 5 years. Minimum age required to contest for Rajya Sabha is 30 years. Rajya Sabha is also called as the Council of State. Who among the following have not held the office of the President of India? It's Bairam Singh Shekhawat. Who among the following is the capital of two states? It's Chandigarh. Why? Because for Punjab also, for Haryana also. Who among the following did not hold the office of the Prime Minister of India? It's R. Venkataraman. Okay. Who was the Finance Minister of India when new economic policy? It's Manmohan Singh. President of India nominates how many members from Anglo-Indian? 2 members. So after that, adjournment can be passed by Speaker. The government can make any law for the whole or any part of India for implementing it can implement international treaties without the consent of asking to the state government. The power to create a new all India service is vested solely with Rajya Sabha. Number of parliament should submit their registration to Speaker. What would be the minimum quorum to conduct the session in either of the house? It's 1/10 of the total members. Money bill can be initiated by Lok Sabha. What are the present strength of Lok Sabha? It's 545. So the present strength of the Lok Sabha is 543. Okay, and 245 Rajya Sabha. Starred questions means requires oral answer. Which of the following statement about a money bill is not correct? A money bill can be tabled in either house of the parliament. No, it's from Lok Sabha. These MCQs are same what we already discussed. You may go through with it because it is from the other book. Answers are given below. Okay, this is from the second book which I am referring. You can go through with this and you may learn it because these all are very important questions. Now let's move on to the another unit 3, the 3 that is based on the concept. So expand UDHR, it is Universal Declaration of Human Rights. What does UNHRC committee meet? So they met at Geneva. So Human Rights Declaration was made by UNO in the year 1948. Expand who? World Health Organization. Expand UNO, that is United Nations Organization. What is the total strength of UN Commission of Human Rights? It's 53 members. Universal Declaration of Human Rights declared on 10th of December 1948. The headquarters of United Nations is in New York. Human rights mean all the above. It means all the 3 options is about giving basic needs, development of humans, so all the above. What are the followings is the human rights? It is all the above. Why? Because right against gender discrimination, religious freedom, racial discrimination. So it's all the above. The function of Human Rights Commission, everything is good. As you can see, report on human rights, to look after the execution of human rights. So that is all the above. The Indian delegation to the First World Conference was led by Manmohan Singh. Which principal organ of United Nations that virtually accomplished the object? It is the Trusteeship Council. The International Human Rights Convention adopted by UN in 1999 relates to children. Which of the following is human rights organization? It's Amnesty International. Which were the Universal Declaration adopted? It's in Paris. Which among the following is the first generation rights? It's political rights. So what is the first human rights declaration adopted? It's UDHR. Who was the first chairman of the Commission on Human Rights? It's Eleanor Roosevelt. Where is the United Nations Day when it is celebrated? It is celebrated on 24th of October. Expand OCOSOC, its Economics and Social Council. When did the ICPR came into force? It is in 1976. Article 24 of ICCPR protect the child right. The appoint of UN High Commissioner for Human Rights is Security Council. Magna Carta was issued by King John of England. When was the Declaration of UN signed? So it is signed on 1st of January 1942. Expand ILO, International Labour Organization. How many articles are there in human rights? It's 30. Which day is celebrated as Human Rights Day? It's 10 December 1948. Okay, what is the total strength of UNO? It's 193. Expand IRO. Expand IRO, it's International Refugee Organization. Right to peace is a third generation right. Who among the following is appointed by UN High Commissioner for Human Rights? It is Prince Zaid bin Rad in 2014. You can go through with this. This is the MCQs related to the same, but from the another book which we have already gone through. The some most important points are there. As you can go through, the answers are also given below. So who was the first chairperson of NHRC? Is Justice Ranganatha Mishra. Which generation of rights is called as blue rights? It's first generation right. Which generation right are called red lights? It's second generation. Which generation rights are called green right? It's third generation. So first is blue, second is red, and third is green. Okay. And after that, human rights are classified as first, second, and so it's Karl Vasak. What is the retirement age of the member of NHRC? It is 70 years. How many generations human rights are classified as per jurist? It is 3. Where are the head office of NHRC? It is in New Delhi. Dash appoints the chairman of the NHRC. It is the president who appoints the chairman. The duration of the National Human Rights Commission is 5 years. The total member of the NHRC Commission are 8. Dash appoints the chairman of the state human rights is the governor. First generation rights are mostly negative rights. PIL stands for public interest litigation. The power of judiciary to nullify the law is known as judicial review. Right to peace is a third generation right. Human beings are to live as a human beings. The judicial activities in India can be witnessed with reference to the review power and the Supreme Court under Article 32. The theory of separation of power was given by Montesquieu. Which article expressly deals with the power of union president is 53 article subarticle, that is 1. Supreme Court has invested a new doctrines called as public interest litigation. Judicial activism is the protection for the rights of the citizens. PIL is improved session of USA country. Which chapter of the act deals with NHRC? Chapter 2 to 4. Liberty, equity, fraternity is the watchword of which revolution? It's French Revolution. So we have the Chief Justice of India is appointed by the principle of seniority. How can a judge of a Supreme Court be removed? By the impeachment. Okay. Supreme Court of India are as all the above. And we have, so the state high court is next to the jurisdiction of Supreme Court of India. The rule of law means all the above. The Supreme Court of India was set up. Just go through with this glance. Why? Because this is the same kind of MCQs, but from the other note. You can go through with this.